Technical debt is a metaphor referring to workarounds and shortcuts taken in software development. Sometimes it has to be taken because of lack of time or other resources. Developers cannot make best or optimal solutions, but they need to make satisfying or barely working solutions because of lack of time or some other resource. Technical debt is a reality in software development and it cannot be fully avoided. We want to understand this phenomenon in its real context and provide better practices and solutions for managing it. The question is partly wrong because the debt cannot be fully avoided. A better question is how to manage it successfully. Our research wants to find solutions for this problem. The work is still in the beginning, but we have found that even increasing the awareness of managing the debt will enhance the situation. And simple lists of debt items will enhance the functioning of the software organization. Also, refactoring has been found as an important tool for managing technical debt.